got ourselves another delivery. A little hard to do one-handed. Checking out the subwoofer in this box. Looks like a very nice quality. Nice bar across the front as the grille gives it a modern, sleek look and a little bit extra protection. Front of this box with a nice embroidered logo, ported slot in the front, carpeted, both black and gray. Matches most interiors of vehicles. Check out the back of this box real quick where the amplifier is integrated into the box. You got your high range inputs, your low range with RCAs, remote cable for your bass knob which is included, your gain, low pass, power, ground, remote all in one spot. Can't wait to get this installed. It's going to be fairly easy seeing it has all the required wiring and bass knob included. It's going to look great and sound great.